Running out of storage doesn't just mean less space for your files, it can also make Windows feel slower over time. The good news is, you don't need expensive software to fix it. Here are the quickest way to safely free up disk space on Windows 11 in just a few minutes. Let's start with one of Windows' oldest and still one of the best cleanup tools. Press Windows R, type cleanmgr and hit enter. Choose your C drive if Windows asks. Now Windows will scan for files you can easily remove. You will see things like temporary files, thumbnails, delivery optimization files, system cache. Most of these are safe to delete because Windows can recreate them whenever they're needed. Select the item you want to remove, then click OK and click on delete files, and Windows will clean everything up. Now let's automate the process. Open Windows settings using Windows I. Go to System, then Storage. Now turn on Storage Sense. Click Storage Sense to customize it. Choose the frequency of cleaning up disk space. You can have Windows automatically remove temporary files, clean your recycle bin, and delete old downloads if you choose. Or if you just want to clean up things immediately, click Run Storage Sense now. It's one of those features that's worth enabling once and then letting Windows take care of the rest. Most of us have software installed that we completely forget about. Press Windows R, type appwiz.cpl and hit enter. Take a few minutes and look through the list. If you haven't used an application in months and don't need anymore, uninstall it. Just make sure you recognize what you're removing. If you're unsure of a program, it's better to leave it alone than accidentally uninstall something important. Temporary files can slowly build up over time. Press Windows R. Now type %temp%. Press enter. Select everything in the folder by pressing Ctrl A. Now press Shift Delete to delete permanently. Click Yes. If Windows says a file is currently in use, simply skip it. That's completely normal. Next, repeat the same process using temp. Hit enter. Again, press Ctrl A, Shift Delete, click Yes. Again, if you see a pop-up, click on skip. It's a quick way to recover storage that many people never think about. Now let's clear another folder that often gets overlooked. Press Windows R, type Prefetch and hit enter. Click Continue if Windows asks for permission. Again, press Ctrl A, Shift Delete. Click on Yes. These are cache starter files. Windows will automatically rebuild what it actually needs over time. This one sounds obvious, but it's amazing how many people forget about it. File setting in recycle bin still takes up storage. Right click on the recycle bin, choose empty recycle bin. Click on Yes and done. If you are still on lower storage, here is my favorite trick. Open File Explorer pressing Windows E. Get rid of the drive that's running out of storage. In search box, type this command. Windows will instantly show files larger than 1 GB. You will often find old videos, downloads, zip files, and installers that you completely forget about. Just to make sure you know what you are deleting before removing anything. Most of the tips takes less than a minute, but together they can free up several gigabytes of storage and help Windows run more smoothly. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Sektor for straightforward Windows tips and Microsoft updates without jargon. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.